Hi everyone, today we are focusing on the structure of MHC class 1 and class 2 molecules. The question that we are answering is what are the main structural differences between MHC class 1 and class 2 molecules. So focus on structural differences between those two different molecules. MHC class 1 molecules consist of a single alpha chain, this one, alpha chain, it's also the heavy chain of the molecule. It has three domains, alpha 1, alpha 2 and alpha 3. And there's also a smaller one, the beta 2 microglobulin chain. So it's a one protein complex with one heavy chain and one smaller chain. The peptide binding groove is formed between the alpha 1 and the alpha 2 domains of the alpha chain, and typically binds 8 to 10 amino acids long. MHC class 2 molecules have two chains, two comparable chains, 1 and 2. The alpha and the beta. Each of these has two domains, alpha 1 and alpha 2 for alpha, beta 1 and beta 2 for beta. The peptide binding groove is formed between the alpha 1 and the beta 1 domains, and it accommodates longer peptides, 13 to 25 amino acids long. Pay attention not to confuse beta 2 microglobulin of MHC class 1 with the beta 2 domain of the beta chain in MHC class 2 molecule. Beta 2 microglobulin is a separate non-polymorphic protein polypeptide chain that associates with a heavy alpha chain of MHC class 1 to stabilize it. The beta 2 domain of the beta chain of the MHC class 2 is part of one of the two chains, alpha and beta, that form the MHC class 2 molecules. As you see, it's an integral membrane protein encoded by MHC class 2 genes. Finally, another difference, but this one is not structural, is that class 1 presents the endogenous peptides to CD8 positive T cells, whereas class 2 presents the exogenous peptides to CD4 positive T cells. That's all for now. Thank you all. See you very soon.